So for today's video, no, nag-camping tayo with the siblings. So pakita natin kung nasaan na tayo. So yan, ito ang tent nila James. Ito ang tent namin. Tent ng kainan. These are the cars. Kaya with the bonfire later. Tita Mariel cooking there. Woo. This is the with Pogging James. Yan. Chilling.
Red Hot Chili James.
Ng ating griller. And ito yung Manila Jen. There. Ito ang aming setup. Ayan. Ganda rito for today's camping. This is Coach H.